Hello. In today's session, we are going to discuss about a laboratory experiment of file structures for 6th semester ISC. Here we are going to discuss about the program number 8, that is, write a program to read k lists of names and merge them using k-way merge algorithm with k is equal to 8. So let us see what is a merge sort. It is a technique that sorts the element using a merge technique. It distributes the k elements into the block and then it will be sorted internally within the block, and the later stage the blocks are combined, the consecutive blocks are combined to form the sorted order and produces the output in either ascending order or descending order. Let us see how the algorithm works. Here we have n number of unsorted elements which are divided into m parts. That is, if I have 100 elements, let us consider 10 elements in each block where m size can be 10. All the 100 elements can be divided into 10 blocks, where internally this particular block m is sorted with a sorting technique in a ascending or descending order as the user requirement. Later, this recorded or sorted records will be merged to form another block, so that in k ways it can be merged. Once it is merged, then these two blocks will have a part of element sorted with first few blocks, and another block will have a sort of sorted elements of the next few blocks. Let us consider 5 blocks in the first part and the next 5 block. Here it is 3. As we are considering 10 blocks, we will say 5m and 5m. So all the elements are further organized, sorted using the k-way merge algorithm to produce the final sorted elements. In this, we need to consider two sort of arrays. One is to store the list, that's the elements. The another array is required to store the index value corresponding to the elements of this k list. So these are the two array values to be required to maintain throughout the program. Then the array is passed to the k-way merge algorithm. In this algorithm, first we will find, that is a first block. Let's consider it is divided and it is passed to the first block. Here the first algorithm will identify the minimum item, that's a min item, and then process the min item to the output. That is, the sorted element, the minimum element will be considered and processed to the starting of the element. For example, the first element 1 is the smallest in the block, so 1 will be processed and stored in the first block or first position of the block. Then 2, if it is there, so on, it repeats for all the elements with this particular block. That means this is one block m. Similarly, at the same time, parallelly all the blocks will be processed using k-way merge algorithm. Then these sorted blocks will be merged once again and to produce the result until we find the minimum element at the minimum elements at the either ascending order or at the descending order. So let us get to the implementation. Defining a class called as record, which is having variables of the type character, that is name and USN of the student. Then we are creating an instance of the record, defining a record, then a file stream. Here we need to consider the k value as 8, so we are defining the file pointers with 8 values. That means we are considering 8 different files where all the data are organized in different files and then they will be processed. So let us go to the main function. Here the user is asked to enter the number of records. It may be 10, it may be 100, it may be 1000. So the user enters the value, then he is supposed to enter the details, means the numbers, the names to the particular file, and that particular detail is inserted into the file which is open for the first I is equal to 0 till I is less than 8. That means till 7 this for loop works. It means that the for loop, the first few set of elements are stored in a first element, that is a first file, then with the second file, then increment with the third file, then 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means 8 file, the k value, k merge algorithm is a value with 8. So 8 different files are stored with the details. Here the file of I, as we consider I value as 0 initially, it will be incremented till 7, and then the file is opened in a out mode to store the value of a name and USN in a particular file. In the similar fashion, all the 8 files will be stored with the records and completed. Then it is closed, the files are closed, then it is called with the k-way merge algorithm. So what is this algorithm? Let us see the algorithm here. The k-way merge algorithm reads each and every element of all the files using the same, we are considering with the for loop. The first file is 11.txt, the second file is 22.txt. Similarly, we have 8 files where all the contents will be processed and calling to the merge file function. So in the merge file, the first name of the first file and the name of the second file are merged, then the third file, then the fourth file are merged to a single file, and that returns, this particular file returns the merged value of a particular block. Similarly, once again, if it is called for the blocks, different number of blocks, then the blocks are merged to produce the result. Let us see the merge function. So in the merge file, the records are redirected with the file pointers, where 2 different files are considered initially, because every time 2 files are taken to the consideration and merged to a single block. Then it will check for the end of the file in both the files, and it will get each and every line with the name and USN of the first file, then represent with a delimiter, then adds the element of the second file. For example, a file 1 has the name Akbar, the second file will have Anthony. So both elements are merged and it is sorted, it is in order. Akbar comes first, then with the Anthony. So those will be processed with a string comparison. Based on the comparative analysis of the string terms, it will be matched and copied to the another function, that is a temporary 1. Temporary 1 is a record where it will be stored in a block. Then it will be processed and stored to the final buffered or final block. This way it processes and produces the result in the order. In the final block, data is read line by line, and the name of the student and a USN will be recorded and displayed to the users. Let us compile the program. Alt C, Alt R, enter. So enter the number of 8 elements so that I can view all the elements. Krishna 23, Rama 43, Ravi, the USN, Amar with the 69, Anish, then Charan, Sharath, and the last element will be so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements are entered. Now we can observe the sorted lists: Amar, Anish, Charan, Khan, Krishna, Ram, Ravi and Sharath. So this is how the K-way merge algorithm works. So these are the few references. Thank you.